Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Messenger notification not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on sounds and vibration, and then if you click on do not disturb, if you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications. Now scroll down and find Messenger app, and if you find Messenger app, simply click on a Messenger app like that, and here you can allow your Messenger notifications. Then go back and scroll down and click on apps, and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Messenger app, and here you can click the storage usage and then clear the cache memory of Messenger app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.